Hi friends, today we're going to be going over the table saw. Before we do that, we want to check for one thing, which is called squareness. So we're going to take a tri-square and we're going to hold it on the surface and look down the edge. We should not see any daylight. Okay, this square is 90 degrees. Okay. We want to make sure that both sides of this piece of wood are 90 degrees and that they are square. So that looks good. Something that would not be square would obviously be something like an amplifier where we actually angle the bottom. You can see a ton of daylight, but that's not square. Since we have one square edge, okay, we're going to come over here to the table saw. This is our table saw, large flat surface. We have a blade. That'll be spinning here momentarily very fast. We have a fence. This fence is adjustable. There's basically a giant ruler right here where we can adjust the fence all the way down to like cutting something 33 inches to as thin as 1/4 of an inch. So it'll move back and forth and I can cut whatever width material that I want. I want to cut this piece of wood to 4.5 inches in width. So going across the grain, we want to cut it to 4.5 inches. I'm going to set my fence, lock it in place. The blade should be set to where it's about 1/4 of an inch above the material. So right now, it's way too high. So I'm going to lower it with the height adjustment up front here. So right there is about the ideal height. Safety-wise here, I want to make sure my hands are not anywhere close to the blade. I'm going to use a push stick to guide the material through, all the way through, past the blade. I'm going to keep the jointed edge against the fence the entire time. All right, in case there would be a kickback, which is where the blade actually catches the piece of wood and throws it back at me, I'm going to try to stay on this side of the fence to stay out of harm's way. The way this machine works is there's a green button to start it. So I push that to turn it on, push the red button, I can just push that with my knee to turn it off. I'm now ready to go ahead and make our cut. I'm going to turn the saw on. Start my cut. I'm going to wait there until the blade stops. And it takes a little bit. All right, so now the blade stops. I'm going to remove my scrap piece, and there's our finished cut. So this is completely parallel. If I measure across with my ruler, it should be 4.5 inches from there and on the side. And that is everything for the table saw.